The story of Martha and Mary teaches us about setting our priorities right. Usually, we find both the aspects of Martha and Mary within us. Nevertheless, most of the time, we are engaged in many activities and are preoccupied to finish them. In the process, we are worried and anxious. In such a scenario, prioritizing our work will help. The role of Mary in today's Gospel is a good example in this regard. She knew very well about her priority and chose to sit beside Jesus and listen to him. This does not mean that Martha's service is bad or that she chose a bad option. In fact, serving guests and hosting them is good and brings blessings as we see in the first reading. Abraham, although he did not know the travelers, insisted that they stayed and had something to eat. He provided them the best of what he had. As a result of his generosity, hospitality, and service, they blessed him and his wife with the promise of a son. Service is a virtue which Jesus taught us to practice. He washed his disciples' feet and set an example for us to do likewise. No work is small or big. It is our attitude which makes a work important or not. Today, let us ask this question to ourselves. How to prioritize my work?
Lord, help and guide us to prioritize our tasks so that we may be focused on our goal.